Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a diamondartclub canvas that's really small. And I fell in love when I first saw this canvas. I originally purchased it through Amazon. And just in case you didn't know, Amazon has a little diamondartclub store. And every now and then they'll put up new paintings. So if you're interested in kind of a smaller canvas, that's why this painting I fell in love when I saw it. It is called Bed of Roses by Marilyn Casanave, and it is a round-shaped diamond. It is a 13 by 13 inch or a 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters, and it is a round-shaped diamond. I really like this painting. It's a little orange kitty cat just sleeping in a little, to me I think it's a hat box with some roses. Really beautiful pastel pink in the background. Really like this. And just in case you've never purchased diamondartclub canvases, even the small ones, they always come in real sturdy boxes. Big fan of that, and it does include an emblem to let you know what kind of painting it is. So let me open it and take the painting out. So I probably stated in my video I uploaded, I believe yesterday, that I'm just removing the tape because the plastic had fallen off before and I didn't want to have the little painting slip out. Apologies if you hear the traffic. I'm recording a little later than usual. And this painting, yeah, little diamonds had slipped out and I remember pulling them out. Now, I had originally unboxed this painting before, but I didn't move forward with it. So I do apologize. I will not be able to show the toolkit. But since this is an older style of diamondartclub canvases, it was the older toolkit that was being offered. So, yeah, apologies. I'm not going to be able to show it. But that's okay. I'll be able to take the canvas out of the bag. And diamondartclub canvases do come in really nice dustproof bags, no matter the size of the canvas. Big fan of that, as you can see in the little bag. I really like it, especially for paintings I'm still trying to work on. And this is the wonderful painting. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Now that I see it in person. As I said, I did unbox it a long time ago, but the video, I decided not to move forward with it. So, unfortunately, I remember why. I originally was going to do it for an event, but I changed my mind on the canvas. As you can see, the little cute cat inside the little box, and oh my goodness, the background. We'll go through the canvas in a moment. And these are the diamonds. They're not usually packed this horribly, but that's because when I originally tried to put them back, I did my best. The neat thing diamondartclub does do, puts the name of the painting on the packet. So if you store your diamonds and your painting into two different locations, do not worry. They always find each other. So let me take the diamonds out and put the bag aside real quick. Oh my goodness, I did that so badly. So these are the diamonds. Oh, I just saw one. I have to be careful. Sometimes some diamonds are not connected to the strip, so just keep an eye out just in case any of them pop out. And I do apologize. I forgot to show the label sheet. Let me put the diamonds aside real quick. And this is the label sheet. As you can see, all of the labels, this painting has 29 colors. Oh, I thought I had a little bit more. And again, the name of this painting is called Bed of Roses by Marilyn Casanave. And it is round shape and 13 by 13 inch or 32.8 by 32.8 centimeters. As you can see, the lovely little orange kitty cat just sleeping in the box. Ah, this is such a beautiful painting. Why didn't I do it? And all of the labels are pre-cut and I have an adhesive, as you'll probably see in a moment, which I'm a big fan of because I do not have a label maker. So I'm a big fan of that. And since I do organize all of the label sheets for all my paintings, I make sure to do that. The cover sheet is mine. I did that because of the way I organize everything. So do not worry if yours does not come with one. That's because I did that. And usually it does come with a little sticker, but I do have it in my logbook already. So yeah. So when I do start working on the painting, I know I can complete the logbook once I've already completed it. So now let's look at the canvas real quick. As you can see, Diamond Art Club always has really nice velvety soft canvases, as you can hear, and nice scalloped edges to keep the edging from fraying. No matter what size the canvas is, as you can see, it is kind of small. Big fan of that. And on the top, it has the name of the company and their motto, do what makes you sparkle. On the top left, lower right, full legend of all the colors. Big fan of that because I do spin my canvases around. The lower right corner has information about their social media. For their customer service. If there's any issues with the diamonds, any issues with the painting, do not worry. They will always help you. I really like their customer service. As well as information of the lifetime warranty on all the canvases. In the bottom of the middle of the canvas, information about their social media, their hashtag, and a 10% discount code for your next Diamond Art Club purchase. I always forget about that code. And a small thumbprint of the image and all of the information about it, as the painting name and the artist. Big fan of that as well. Diamond Art Club canvases have a real sturdy plastic on top. Keeps it real safe, and a drill filled, fingerprint every time, that keeps the diamonds stay placed. I never had any diamonds slip off of these canvases. I'm a big fan of them. And this canvas has perforations. I can never say the word. Little cuts in the plastic, as you can probably see. So the neato thing is when you're working, you can just tear off the plastic, as you can hear, in sections so you can move around. You can move along, and you can have the painting completed. Big fan of this for if you do not wish to use release paper or any other method, you can always just tear off the plastic as you go. That's a big fan of these little plastics on the canvases. As this painting is so small, I can get it all on camera for y'all. As you can see, oh my goodness, the pastel colors in this painting is what won me over. I'm a big fan of this one. Again, why didn't I complete you, kitty cat? So, let's look at the diamonds. As I stated before, I did try to put them away, but there's only so much you can do. So, let me get the longer strip first. There we go. It's this one. So, the first color, 3824. 967. It's 2 packets of this really beautiful peach. I love that color. 951. 2 packets of this lighter peach. 352. 402. 3776. 355. 3830. 936. Z3856 is our first fairy dust. And I do apologize. This painting has 2 fairy dust and 1 AB. Oh my goodness, not that many special diamonds. And just in case you're not familiar, fairy dust, this has a nice little light glitter sparkle on it. I really do like that. And the symbol for this beautiful, really nice sparkly peach is the percentage symbol. And trying to locate it will be interesting because there is peach everywhere on this beautiful canvas. I thought it might be on the roses, but it might be on the background. And it's such a small amount. I think it might be on the kitty cat. Yes, I was right. Little sections of the fur of the cat in this area and some here on the paws has this wonderful little fairy dust sparkle. Oh, I love the kitty's gonna have sparkle. Our next color is Z369. Our next fairy dust is really pastel green. The symbol for this one is the equal symbol. And I believe it's the box. Yes. It's the lighter lines that's in the hat box. Oh, I really like that. I really like this green. I don't see this that often. Next color, 989, 368, 356, 3826, 988, 890, and 3860. Ooh, I love that dark green. It's real pretty. Oh, and our one lonely bag, 3778. It's interesting. It's just this one bag I find that interesting. And our next color, 225, 3777. 127 is our one lonely AB. As you can see, AB stands for Aurora Borealis, which means it gives that little prismatic effect. As you can see, the color changing. Ooh, I really love it. It's on the nice peach color. And the number for this one is the number 1. Of course you are. So this wonderful AB color is on the kitty. Oh my goodness, it's on the kitty cat. It's some here on his ear, some here on his face. I believe it might be some on the paw. No, it's mostly here on the ear and a little bit more here on the face. It's mostly on the cat. That is interesting. I was not expecting the kitty cat to be really, really sparkly. Our next color, 975, 3712, 581, 3861, 987, 580, and 898. Oh my goodness, I love these pastel colors. And I just love the little kitty cat. When I first saw this canvas, it made me tear up just a little bit. My first cat was a little orange tabby, and it made me think of her. So I had to pick it up. And I said, I love all the peach tones, all the pastel colors. That's why I was really excited to put this one up for voting. As I stated before, I've been showing these smaller canvases, and I'll ask on this upcoming weekend on what canvas I should start next, because I'm getting close to finishing a small canvas. So I want to see which would be the next small canvas. Y'all choose for me. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. I can just keep looking at it. And all the information for this wonderful painting I'll put in the description below, just in case the little sleeping kitty cat is your taste as well. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Sleeping kitties and all. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.